Ever heard your cat make a weird sound and thought, bro, are you trying to talk to aliens or me? Stick around, cause I'm decoding your cat's secret language. Hit that subscribe so you don't miss the next meow stir piece of cat facts. Let's roll. Number 1, the classic meow. Number 2, the purr. Number 3, the chirp. Number 4, the trill. Number 5, the growl. Number 6, the hiss. Number 7, the yowl. Number 8, the Caterwaul. Hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, what's the weirdest sound your cat makes?